What's up, my boys? Hi bro, glad to see you again. Hello Albert, welcome bro. Glad to see you too. Hello, welcome. So, let's go. We need to export our info window. Let's go. So, viewer, I think we create just one more window, info, because we have the same size and so on. Let's turn off the viewer and change the image here. Imag. That's UI. Thank you bro. Okay, let's go. Info window. Let's delete module bin window. Delete buttons. We don't need the buttons here, and this all we don't need stats and so on. Hi again, hello. Okay, abilities frame also don't need title name will be, and inside here let's add some things. We add image label. Size 0.1, I don't know, 1, like so. Where did you get the UI? Stole from the game, bro. He made it with his talented skills. Thank you, bro, thank you. Whoa, that's crazy, bro. Yeah, that's crazy, absolutely crazy. So, description. Okay, type priority. Nice, thank you. Small. Like this. Like this. This is a small template for us. Okay, let's see our plan and let's go to C. Name, description. Let's make them. So here's the size. Description. Type. Oh wait, no, not description. Type rarity, yeah. Description will be up here, but we need to upload a new one. Description. And description we need to make bigger, and let's upload bigger template like this. Description like so, I think. So here is description, type rarity, health. So we just need to duplicate that. So let's create, what do we create, a folder or frame? Oh, we create a frame. Yeah, we create a frame of that. Like so. Start. And stat size 1, position 0, and this is transparency. Okay, no, background this will be and this will be 1, I think. Yeah, no, position of course, like so. And background transparency to 1, like so. So also duplicate bar and arrow, bar, this one, the index. Okay, background 0, bar 1, arrow 2. Oh, I've got it. Yeah, my bad. I've got it. What is the problem? Because I forget about this one. I'll make a game about angry cat, image is also shown in your server general. Okay bro, I'll check later. So size, let's make a size XX or YY, probably YY 0.1 for XX. Like so. So size of this bar, anchor point 0.5. Position size X 0.7. No, that's a lot. 0.8. So we need to create the frames also here. Angry cat will staring at you from the sky while you beat the obby, which will be pretty scary if you ask me. That's funny, bro, that's funny. How come you're on day 61 out of 30? Good. So this is arrow frame. By the way, guys, who's new, there is a pinned message in the chat. There is 4 minutes video about this game and why is day 61 out of 30. If you want, you can watch. Position 0 and also anchor point 0.5. 0.5 position 0.5 and 0, like so. Okay, transparency 1. He's asking how are you on day 61 out of 30, but it's because the game was broken on day 30. Yeah, I respond, bro. I responded. Good. Thank you. Fixing the bugs, and that's it. I'm making a game while watching this. Great, bro. Great. That's cool. So, okay. Gradient. UI gradient. Let's make some gradients. I thought you thought it was some kind of how are you question. Yeah, but it looks like so, not? Size. And a little bit on top. So also we need to make the same frame but for a title. Numbers. Transparency 0, and this will be down here. Text label. Oh, we just copy that from range bar. Yo, what's good? I'm back. Welcome back, bro. All great. What's up? What thing did you use to make that UI? Photoshop. All here. But you can make that even in Roblox Studio. This what I made in Roblox Studio only. This is how it looked before. So you can even do that in Roblox Studio, but I need more elements when I make in Roblox Studio. So, for example, these shadows, I need to make like a separate frame. All these effects, like dots, I need to make a separate frame. I can't make a blur here, and that's why I decided to make it in Photoshop. Hello, welcome. So ranges, text. Okay, numbers, info, stat. infostat. And also let's add a title here, text label. Let's place it here, text, for example, health, epic. And this will be like a purple one, epic, this word. And how we doing today? Great, bro, great. Continue making yesterday's things. Visible, this, duplicate, 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 and duplicate. This is just for example, of course. It will be scripted later, just for visibility. 100, like so. And we'll have a gradient here, like so. Like so will be. Just we'll see how it looks like. What if we make like so, maybe? So what do you think? This is better if we make a little smooth instead of like this is rarities for our, and this arrow, this will show our current. No, green maybe will be, yeah, like so. For example, we have, I don't know, 120 health, and this arrow will be here to 100 and 125, like so. So this is in like uncommon rarity, so this range for all possible ranges, like so. No, I think better make them more clear anyway. Maybe like so, yeah, that's better. How long will you stream for today, do you think? I don't know, bro, I don't know. This is always unpredictable. Like so, for example. Or maybe color of arrow also will change depending on rarity. Maybe like so. Monster have HP? No. Maybe depending on rarity will also change the color. You forgot Twitch. Oh yeah, thank you much. So okay, maybe make smaller this bar, like so. You have inspired to make my own Roblox game, and it's in progress right now, bro. I'm very happy to hear that. I'm very happy to hear that. Good job, bro. Keep it up. Yeah, maybe make smaller. This is good idea. Like this. It's hobby, but you're in a ball that rolls. Okay. Alert emoji. Albert emoji, I would say. So yeah, we can do it smaller, like so. And these colors, let's check if we make these different colors. Like this is like blue. I'm not sure, maybe that's a bad idea. Or not, because we have a red rarity, like upper here. Why when I send a GIF on your Discord server it collapses on itself? I don't know. It should work. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I'll check after the stream that. 1 second. Balls in that relevant anymore. But they still here. Or the name would be Angry Cat Obi. I think it will take 100 days to finish your game. I don't know, bro. I don't know. We'll see. Does it show superior? No, this is not superior anymore. This is secret. So this was secret. But for red rarity, better instead of superior, like secret. No, you don't know how much secret will be. Like, you only have chances, that's it, because Roblox terms of use about random paid items required that. If it would possible, of course, I just hide this rarity at all. So you'll see like superior chances, but stats you don't see. But it's always out of range. Like you see, for example, health from 75 for ninja to 150, for example, and superior will be from 150 and more, like so. What is ship chat? Ship chat, this is this chat, and on your screen here's overlay, also ship chat. This is for streaming, to see multiple chats in one place. And the reason why I use this one, because it allows me to combine the chats from two YouTube streams, because that's a big problem usually, to combine two chat streams from one platform, like two on YouTube. Because before I use the chat, it only takes one, or shorts or main stream, and that's the problem. So okay, this is a start, right? Start. And ability. And ability window. Let's make ability window. Ability. You can also use Streamlabs for that, by the way. Streamlabs for overlay. Streamlabs overlay I can use for that, but they don't have a chat, which the main problem, bro, not multi-streaming on one platform, that's the problem. So I tried some different things, and this is the best one for me for now. So that's it. WUI rework. Hello Keegan, thank you, bro, thank you. So okay, this is ability. Let's hide this thing. So okay, ability, how I imagine that. So we'll have a frame. Okay, let's separate all of that. Let's delete our frame, numbers, var. Congrats on 730 subscribers, by the way. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. So here is, we'll have also, let's duplicate that, and here is will be icon. Like icon for our ability, size XX 0.2 or 0.3, I don't know, like so. Yeah, 0.25 maybe. Image, let's upload some ability like this, for example. So here will be the name of our ability and the rarity. Like text label, like the last run. Common. This is the name, title. I subscribed. Thank you, bro. and this will be description. 230 subs in 30 days. Maybe, bro, maybe. But I think it took more time, I think. Good work, man. Thank you very much. Nice, thank you, guys. Thank you. So this will be description, and we copy that. Description from our abilities. Where is it? Here. The last run. Oh yeah, this is long one. Game looks awesome. Hope it gets popular. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. I joined on day 31 and it was your 500th sub. Maybe, okay, bro. Maybe. You're right. Alignment, maybe X left. Maybe title we also need to align to left, like so. What do you think about ability icon? Oh, no. Shouldn't be like so. We need to make it smaller anyway. Size 0.2, like so. And we need to tell like we have abilities. Because what's that we describe here? That name. Position X 0.5. Anchor point 0.5. Okay. Why do like so? Oh no, this is just we need text ability. This alignment center definitely, like so. Ability, yeah, like so. And name. Hi, hello, welcome. Whoa, that's some awesome UI. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. So, what if we make alignment to right? I'm not sure, but let's try, why not? Some experiment. I think this is a bad idea, for real. Alignment to right. I think that's a bad idea. Yeah, that looks weird, absolutely. How many years have you been making games? 1.5 years. This is my second project. So, like so. Can you only stream on Twitch or post videos as well? Post videos also, bro. You mean on Twitch? Post videos? No, on Twitch there's just streams, if I'm not wrong. But I just stream here, and on YouTube I also make videos. Because, by the way, guys, who's new, there is a pinned message in the chat. There is a 4-minute video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Okay, so what do you think? What do you think about this ability? Okay, let's change the icon for a better one. And for example, we'll have different ability, like, I don't know, some legendary one. Second life. What the hell? This is amazing. This is really rare. like orange one, and this will be color orange, like so. And but text second life, the January, like so. Second. I like that. Maybe that's a lot of free space in the top, I don't know. You can post videos on Twitch. Okay, yeah. Probably you're asking about YouTube, I think. Yeah, on YouTube I make videos, bro. Oh, what about this? You can have stream what's in clips from your streams, but you can't upload to video on Twitch. Okay, thank you, bro. Maybe like so we'll make. Ability. Like so, maybe. What do you think, guys? I like that, like ability. Maybe a little bit bigger anyway. Size 0.25, like so. No, because maybe some icons will be so big, and yeah. Title, start name. Okay, I like that. It's perfect, looks good, it fits the genre. Thank you. Okay, guys, thank you for feedback. Text and dot, like so. Okay, description will be, let's copy that. Let's copy that. Where is our character? Okay, just let's write it down. Also, let's copy that, put it here, size 1, position 0. But okay, let's make anchor point to 0.5, position 0.5, 0.5, and size like 0.9, I think. No, like so. X maybe more even. Like 0.95, like so. And this we can decrease even. Like so. Do you ever rest? No, bro, never rest. Yeah, of course, I have 2 weekends on the week, Wednesday and Thursday. Text. What website is this? This is Excalibur. This is Butch told me about that. That's great. You can use that. Great website, because I tried some websites, but I like the style of that, like this font. I like this, how it works, like simple and really fits for my purposes and for my style, because I don't like so strict font. And that's it. Top, maybe left, really. Yeah, probably left. Looks weird, to be honest. Okay. So this will be text alignment center. Oh, no. Left, this center, like so. This label will be better. Okay, what's that? Just type text. No, we make not like so. I think we'll make type. And alignment right. Like so, yeah, that's better. So this rarity, text rarity, legendary. Thank you, no problem, bro. Legendary. And this zombie, this also will be, of course, the color of our rarity. Do you have Discord server? Yes, link in the description. So I like that, that's cool, but yeah, my bad, I forget about one important thing here. We need to make this inside the scrolling frame. Size I changed, yes. Oh yeah, that's cool. That's great. Wait, what if we just make it the same size? Like this. Okay, just one. Position also 0. What if we just put it inside? I hope it helps. No, let's make it smaller. Where did my message go? I don't know, bro. I don't know. YouTube sometimes deletes some things. I don't know why. This is not my moderation. so, I think. Okay, let's put this inside. Oh wait, my bad. We also need to put here the name separately, right? Yeah, right. Like this, we also need to put separately. So, image. So we need to just empty window that. Like so. And like so. Bro, stop spamming, please. This chat is for spamming? No, guys. Who will spam will be banned. I warn you guys. Okay, and we need to separate the name title, the name frame. Ban it forever or just ban it for a little bit? Ban it forever, bro. I know unban people, so or you just act well, or you just don't won't be here. That's my rules. So okay, and let's maybe we will already have that. Maybe we will already have the name. Oh yeah, we have a name, so we don't need to remake that again. So we just take this part for the name. Okay, let's go. Nice. And also, okay, just let's copy in from our viewer. Model window title. Yeah, title we already have. We just copy it from here, and that's, oh yeah, nice. Title, let's go here. Oh, what the hell? So double click, I forget about this feature again. So double click and just we can change the text. Have you ever banned anyone? Bro, I ban almost every day people, because there's a lot of haters, bro. sometimes come here. So of course, because I don't want to I have zero patience to toxic people. So if you act bad, I ban and even don't think about this. I forget in 1 second about them. So a lot of people has already banned. So Roblox just stores all assets in the cloud forever, because I don't think you can delete them, which is wild, since it means Roblox probably spends a fortune on storage than for their stuff. I don't know, bro, I don't know. I also thought about that. This is I don't know, this is also strangely for me. That's why you can't remove your assets. Also very strangely, I don't know. Maybe there's I don't know, bro. Yeah, definitely they need to spend a lot of money on storing all of that stuff, I think. So I don't understand why they not allow to do that. I can ban a few mods. My what? Like ban people? No, bro. I have moderator. Enough. I don't need more new moderators. No. What the hell with that? Description. There is a lot of disrespectful people. Yeah, guys, yeah. This is what I told about. Like the more you do, the more hate you face, and you need to prepare for that if you want to do something in the internet, or maybe just, yeah. This is not only about Roblox development, this is on YouTube about everything almost. So because always will be jealous people who never do something, but they always discuss what you do wrong, and or just some kids which dumb. So you shouldn't care about that. Just ban them and don't care about them, guys. This is my advice, because they just try to rage you. So that's it. We can't even delete places, only archive. Yes, bro. Yeah, I don't know really. This is very okay. Places maybe okay, because maybe imagine you hacked and hackers just deleted your game. This is but probably they can make something like you like send an order, or how it's called, place an order like 1 month for delete your place or asset. I don't know, maybe something like so they can do. So this is really a little bit weird for me. Hello, hi. Think about how much storage is taken up by version saves. Yeah, by the way, also here's version saves, but version saves maybe that's not a big problem, because I think they store This not like the whole games. I don't know. This is my this is how I think. I'm not sure about that. Where are you from? I'm from Ukraine. Saving a Roblox place doesn't take a lot of storage, like under 50 megabytes. Maybe, bro, I don't know. I also think that's maybe not take a lot of space, because maybe they store like the code and like refers to the modules, probably like so, from toolbox. So maybe, yeah. I think Roblox doesn't care about the storage. For example, a game almost never takes more than 1 gigabyte of memory. They still make a fortune, so I don't think storage is such big problem for Roblox. Maybe, bro. I don't know. Anyway, imagine there is a lot of games, like billions, I don't know, maybe. So every day a lot of games is created, and anyway, this small amount of data, anyway, when you have like millions or billions games, that's a lot. Love from Poland. Thank you, bro. Thank you. How would you recommend learning scripting? I have about 1 year's experience, but I just have no idea how to get better at this stage. YouTube tutorials just don't do it. Bro, I have a little bit more than your experience, like I have 1.5 years, and for me, I just learn everything depending on the task. Like now in this game I felt really confused, because there's a lot of code. This is very difficult to handle all of that, and I finally decided to understand, because I wanted to understand this topic, like meta tables and OOP, because I'm really interested in that, and I completely doesn't understand it at all yet. Hasn't understood it yet, but I'm on the way. You can use AI in some cases to explain it, maybe explain you some things, because for me it was helpful, really. So I don't know, bro, all depending on your tasks, I think, because if you learn just because you forget a lot of things. And that's all. Because if you don't use knowledge, guys, you really very fast forget everything. This is I faced in my life. This is a lot of times, because I have 3 years in video editing on YouTube, and also I have like 1 year in Blender. So always when I try to learn just like some courses, and then I didn't use that knowledge, and just lose all that. I open the Blender and think, how to rescale my cube, something like so. So because I don't use my knowledge immediately, and that's it. Thanks, guys, no problem. How are you? Great, bro, thank you. Hold on, what's the nudge plugin? This is a nudge plugin. This is to move your UI. This is Keegan told me about that, and so you can choose offset or scale. You can for example put 0.1 and it moves to 0.1 in any direction you want, like so. Very cool plugin and free. Why don't you make games in Fortnite too? For games in Fortnite? What's that? Like in Fortnite, you mean the game Fortnite, or what? Or maybe I don't understand you. I've been making a tower defense game on Roblox for a while now. That's cool, bro, that's cool. I also started with tower defense, and I have some add-ons on my channel. That's cool, bro. But this is your first project or not? Because I made my project too big and it was very difficult to finish that, and I abandoned my project. Because when you realize after 1.5 years of development that there's like 2 years more, this is really, I wanna just skip that. You're able to create games in Fortnite, like Roblox, but a little different. Oh, really? Never heard about that. Never heard. To be honest, I haven't played Fortnite a lot. Like maybe maybe 1 or 2 times only. Yeah, you can make maps in Fortnite, and they pay you based on how many players you have, and they pay very well. Oh, okay, bro. But I don't make the games because they pay. I wanna make games because I like that. So if I want to just earn money, probably I'll be a front-end developer instead of Roblox, because there is more money definitely compared to Roblox. So I'm not making this just because of money. Of course, this is also one of the reason, but this is like an additional. This is not the main thing why I do all of that. Bro, I have your boss health bar fully watched because I was planning to using it. Oh, okay, bro. Okay, that's cool. Neither me, but I have heard about it, like about Fortnite, I think, yeah? I have been here since day 1. I've been there, or what do you mean? That's cool, bro, that's cool. Okay, I think we'll place here as UI list layout better, yeah, because... Yeah, let's go. Nice, bro. 11 watching. Great, great. Let's make position to 0, like so. Let's add UI list layout. Title, layout order. Because I'm about halfway done with the DTD game stuff, I'm just doing upgrades from GNOME code. Okay, that's great, bro, that's great. Yeah, this is your first game, by the way, I mean, at all, or not? Probably yes, I think. Description, type, rarity. Or 5. Okay, and horizontal center and padding we need to increase a little bit, 0.1. Oh, that's a lot. I think we'll make the same size like here. So what about this? Size 1? Okay, okay. Was this hard to code? What do you mean? This game or what? Or the first game? No, not hard, bro. If you love what you do, that nothing hard, bro. Just this is interesting for me because guys, even if I have free time, I from time to time spend it on watching some videos about like OP, what is OP, maybe some features in Roblox. So about just also coding, but some interesting things I wanna understand. Even in my on my weekends, I sometimes spend time on that. Not every day, of course, but sometimes, yeah. So it's of course it's hard sometimes to make some things, but I don't think about this like, oh, I can do that. No, they really my mind in my mind this is I think like, so if in any game in Roblox this they manage to solve these problems, so I also can solve this in my game. This is the good approach for me, and this is really help to solve, because of course if you see there's these some bugs or some things like big projects can solve, like almost all or in all projects they can solve some bugs, like fix bugs. Okay, yeah, probably there's a probably it's maybe impossible, but if not, so you just need to find the solution, bro. Yeah, I'm on the short stream now. Yeah, bro, there is a 2 streams on my channel. You can watch not full size stream on my channel also. So guys, who in the short stream? Oh, okay, you only one probably here, I don't know. So okay, what about description? Maybe you need to place that text in the middle. Maybe, yeah, maybe that's better, really. I'm making my game now while listening to you. Great, bro, that's cool. This is one of the purposes why I started this stream series. Because really, maybe some of you guys just turn on and listen to me on the background, and it looks like we make the game together, like so that's cool, bro. Like so, I think, like so. Why rarity goes out, layout order. Oh, stat because 5, ability 6, like so. So now set the stats. I have a question to you. Yeah, bro. So we have 4 stats like so. So health, move speed, or 3, maybe 3, yeah, 3. like health, move speed, and quality, probably. So I have OB and you're in the ball, but when I run over the checkpoint it doesn't work. Bro. And what's the question? Like, you think I can help you? No, bro, that's not like it works. Usually, guys, to help you, I need to see like the whole your code, and it's definitely impossible, guys. How do I fix it, bro? I told you right now. I told you. This is really to solve some problems. I need to see the whole your game. And I don't have time to help everyone personally. And by the way, guys, this is really helpful to you if you find this alone on your own. Because to good developer should really you should really have a skill to search everything you need, like documentation, developer forum, and maybe YouTube tutorials, maybe AI. So you have all tools, bro. You have all tools to for this. And when you search good, you really can solve a lot of problems, even with not too much experience. So you need to develop these skills, definitely, all you guys who hasn't do that yet. I don't like this. Maybe a little move that. Oh, I can't move that. I forget. Hi, hello. I'm playing Tower Defense Simulator right now, PvP. Oh, they added PvP, really? I didn't hear about that. I saw the some like announcement they told about that, but I think it's like future plans was something like so. Okay, so I like that. But this is full info for our survivors, right? Right. We need to make the same for our crates. What game are you making? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Here is a pinned message in the chat, Kitty. Here is a 4-minute video about this game. If you want, you can watch. I'm trying my best to do hardcore every so often. I have 500 games. If I'm not wrong, no, maybe I didn't beat. I hasn't beat hardcore yet. Yeah, probably not. Because hardcore for me, that was really. Maybe I beat that hardcore, but with some experienced guys, random guys who really knew what to do. Or maybe not, I don't know. Yes, bro, ask it AI and it give me the answer. Great, bro, that's cool. So really, use AI, it's faster and really can help you. But don't overuse, bro. But don't overuse or you won't learn anything. Sounds cool. What's the name? The name called Live Light, but it's in open test. It's not released yet. But you can play test, guys. Yeah, but you need 2 minimum players, and for mobile abilities doesn't work for now. Okay, full info, this is for inventory. Oh yeah, we have. So name, type, health, range bar. Okay. I'm definitely gonna play it when it comes out. Okay, okay, cool. So for the shop, this is info. Name, we have type, health, suitability, quality. Guys, what are you thinking about? What's up? You finally done the whole game? No, bro, not yet. What I think about? Maybe guys, what if we make, for example, now each our survivor can get abilities, right? Like any abilities. But to make like more options for like more each survivor more unique, we can make like we have can get for each survivor not all abilities. Like for ninja, for example, all abilities for hiding and speed, like invisibility, sprint, last run, and maybe some who have like common abilities for everyone, like I don't know, like what abilities we have. Let's check first what abilities we have. Maybe like X-ray, level boost for everyone. So this is like will be general abilities for every survivor. And what's the idea I suggest? Because now, for example, you have the tank, right? And you have the ninja, and probably it's better for you to buy ninja because tank has more HP, right? And but he much slower, and you have no reason why you need to buy the tank, for example. But imagine ninja can't get abilities like Gym Bro protects you from one hit, regeneration he can't get here, like all protected abilities or which increases your health. So these abilities you can get only in the tank, on the tank. So ninja, but you can't get on the tank like I mean built-in abilities, not in the game, guys. This is important. This is when you open the crate, you have like 0.26% to get the abilities, random abilities from all of that, like built-in abilities which will always with you when you start any new game, like built-in abilities. Yes, of course it takes one slot at the beginning always, but imagine you can get like legendary one at the beginning. This is great, like great boost. So really we can make for example for ninja it will be sprint, invisibility, dash, the last run, Okay, maybe the last run will be no, will be general for everyone, because you sprint with 1 HP, and that's it. For tank, second life, Jimbro protects you from 1 hit, armor protects you from all hits, regeneration, passive regeneration, and that's it. So that's cool, I think. Yeah. So we need to make like classes for abilities. And we can combine them together, like maybe will be some berserk, which the less HP the faster he moves. This is the idea already we have. And maybe we combine part for the speed and part like from the tank abilities. So okay, how we can make that? We can make some window which with description like so, but yeah, I have an idea how to do that. Really, I have an idea. Hello, you there? Yes, bro, yes. I'm thinking how to make that properly. So what's the idea I want to make? Like we have a frame, Did you read my chat? About your game, bro. Yes, I read your chat. Layout order like 7. So here's will be abilities frame, right? And here's will be, we'll make like image label, size like XX 0.2, like so. And image I should say not that about myself, not say that about myself. What are you talking about? I didn't get that. Transparent. So what's the idea? List layout. Oh no. UI grid layout. So what's the idea of that? I think padding like 0. Oh yeah, like so. I should not say my game is shit. Bro, this is your right. You can say anything you want. But just keep it up work if you think like so. So, okay. 0.1. Okay, so we'll have, for example, like so. Why so stretched? Like x maybe 23. Yeah, like so I think, or maybe 22. So we can make that, yeah, why not? Let's make here as a frame, inside the frame. What the hell? Center. Maybe out of size, really we need. Why? No. There's always problem with this thing, really, with these scrolling frames. Because it's not increased the size. So what's the problem with that? Like I wanna make the pool with possible abilities. Okay, let's check. Roblox Studio. Oh, yeah, the same problem. Using scale for cell size, not offset. Let's check it again. Yes. So we have the same problem like here. What I did here with that. Or wait, so let's turn it off and let's see. Let's see that here. So you do this every day? Yes, but I have 2 weekends, Wednesday and Thursday. Not increase the size. No, here's the same problem. What the hell? What is the game going to be about? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors. Here is a pinned message in the chat. You can watch video, a 4-minute video about this game if you want. You can choose the ability you want, or is it random? No, is it random, bro? Is it like like you have abilities in the game? You have abilities in the game. Like you collect XP orbs and you pick one of the 3 abilities each level. But also the feature of this game that for example you wanna have new survivor, right? You open the crate, for example ninja crate, and you don't have like exact stats for him. You have health, for example, from 75 to 150, like so. So like 75 will become like white one, and epic will be 150. This is the highest rarity, if we're not talking about secret, of course. And also you have the chance to get a random ability, but you have a very low chance, like built-in ability from the pool in actual game abilities. So for example you can get ability and start with some legendary ability like at the beginning, because all abilities in the game, when the game ends, they reset, and when you start new game you also will start with level 0 or level 1. Without any abilities, you need to collect orbs to get abilities and upgrade yourself, and after the game it resets. But if you get built-in ability, it always will be with your survivor forever. So that's it. And also it increases much more price, of course, because ability is ultra rare. So to get ability you should be really lucky. And that's not all. Abilities also, don't forget, they also abilities, they have rarities from common to legendary. And of course, if you get like a common ability, okay, it will be helpful, but maybe not so helpful as you want, and maybe that's not ability that you like, or maybe that fits to your gameplay. But imagine you get like second life ability. This is absolutely, so after dying you respawn like nothing happened, like you have additional life. This is absolutely overpowered ability. So that's it. So that's it. I'll be playing it as soon as you release. Okay, thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. When is the game going to release? I don't know, bro. As soon as possible. I'm working on that. This looks really fun, bro. I will play it a lot, I think. Okay, bro. Thank you. So many days. Yes, bro. Yes. What's up? What's up? So abilities now. No, this is still a shop. I need to make full info about that. So I think how we can make so you can buy it with Robux, only luck. You can buy with Robux more crates, and maybe you'll be lucky, but like you can earn the same coins without Robux, so this is not pay to win game. So of course you can buy a lot of crates, like 1000 crates, and for Robux, of course, but it's not guarantee you get really cool things. And maybe some guy who just joined the game, play one game, open one crate, and he gets legendary ability and the secret like highest quality survivor, like so. So this is just luck. So that's it. Last time I checked it was UI. This is UI, bro. This is UI. When I finish my game, will you play it? You can send a link in my Discord server, bro. Here is a channel called Your Creations, and yeah, from time to time I play here some your games, so you're welcome. And maybe some other guys wanna play your game, so just share a link here. So okay, I'm thinking about how to make like properly our abilities, because I have an idea, and this idea probably good idea, because definitely you don't need to buy a tank, right? You don't need to buy a tank now, because Ninja is faster. Ninja also have not a lot HP, but he's faster, and it allows you to run away from the monster more often. So if you compare that with your health, so so probably what's the idea? I wanna rework all the crate system, maybe like change the main concept of that. For example, we have a general abilities. Let me show what I'm talking about. Well, we have some general abilities for every survivor. I mean the abilities you can get like when you open the crate. You can open the crate, like built-in ability. I mean not in the game. In the game you can get any abilities for every survivor. That's not a problem. But when you open the crate, for example, for ninja, you can get abilities like in general abilities, like I don't know, level boosts, like some abilities which is under which for all classes, like so. And for ninjas, you have abilities like dash, sprint, invisibility, and for the tank we can have abilities for like regeneration, max health, like for the tank. So that's it. I think this will be better because now we have really, if you have a ninja who's faster and you can really get the same abilities as a tank, like built-in abilities when you open the crate. So we definitely don't need to buy the tank. For what you need to buy the tank? Like maybe here's will be the skin you like, but this is not the main feature. So you need to have like some benefits on that, definitely, like classes or something like so. So that's my idea about that. So that's it. Okay, so maybe we do like so, but there is one more problem we face with that. What if ninja keeps running the whole game? Is he untouchable? No, bro, no. He not keeps running the whole game. That's not work like so. I mean, you have some abilities for different survivors. Like for ninjas, you have abilities for movement and for hiding. For tank, you can get, not have. Okay, that's bad. For tank, you can get abilities for tank, like health, like armor, something like so. For protection, we can call that, like so. And that's it. This is definitely better, and that's it. W, hi bro, hello, welcome. So, but we need to fix our problem with this one. What the hell? Again. So. Oh, wait. Of course. Offset. Oh, wait. Right? Wait, what was it before? Oh. No, it was scale. The same. What does 61:30 mean? Your goal was 30 days, but it's 61st now. Yes, you're absolutely right. And maybe if you want to know what happened, I recommend you to watch the video in pinned message in the chat. I explain it here, everything, only in 4 minutes, why it's day 61 out of 30. So, okay. So, Because of padding, this thing, no. I always have the problems with this with these scrolling frames, always, because I don't know why it doesn't work at all. This is actually very impressive. It usually takes months to 2 years to finish the game. He's doing it solo and has done so much in 2 months. Thank you bro, thank you very much. Yeah bro, usually it takes a lot of time, but I haven't finished yet bro, so we'll see when I finish that. What's that frame? Oh yeah, I've got it. Maybe because we need to move that? No. Automatic canvas size, why? Oh, maybe this one. Maybe really? Hi, hello. Have you finished the map? Yes, it's procedurally generated map, bro. Yes, it's finished. So I hope this works, but why I can't change the canvas size? Understandable. I too always plan to finish things in a month or two. Fastest I've been able to is 6 months. Yeah, that's true, absolutely true, bro, about game development. And if you think it takes you a month, it takes you like 3 months or half a year. Yeah, because my first game, I thought it would be smaller, but after 1.5 years of development, I realized that there is maybe 2 or 3 years more, or maybe even 5. So that's it, bro. When will the first beta test be? Beta test, bro, after release. It will be released in beta, like when release will be. Now alpha test only, so it's open test, so any of you guys can play test it, but there's a lot of bugs, of course, so anyway you can try that. How long have you been a dev? More than 1.5 years. So okay, let's check about this one. No, anyway, we have the same problem. What the hell? So automatic size. None. Do you have any revenue from YouTube? Not yet, bro, not yet. Channel is too small to make money. No. I need to reach a lot of milestones to get the money from that. Ironically, in Roblox and mobile market games, I spent least effort and end up being the most popular. This is not only about games, bro. This is not only about games. This is always, bro. This is really. I don't know how this works. I also ask myself a question why it works like so. So when you really make less effort, like it usually works better. Maybe because we just do that simple, maybe, or I don't know why it works so. This is also a mystery for me. My chat not working. Where? Here? But you're here. Try to reload the page, I think. Okay, scrolling frame. Scrolling frame. If you want to be popular, you need kids to join. Adults usually play other games or work, and kids like simple games where they can grind fast and then do something later. Yes, bro, yeah. Probably, yeah. But probably this is more like brain rot games. Like, if you just want not popularity and maybe earn money, like so. Popularity, I'm not sure. So yeah, probably they play, but I think they don't care who made this game. And like you create another game and maybe without advertisement they even don't know about you. Scrolling frame, switch to explain the issue of the relation canvas side and automatic canvas side properties and how the chat elements within it are scaled. And Y for vertical scrolling. Here, but you're typing here, bro. Your chat works. You recommend using ChatGPT? Bro, I recommend using all tools which helpful to you. I don't mind any tools which helps in development way. You can use all of them because your players don't care about they care about only results. They don't think, oh, maybe he made this in ChatGPT, oh, maybe he made this in Node.js in VS Studio. They don't care. They just enjoy your game if this is interesting, and if there's no bugs, that's all they need usually. So of course, bro, of course, if it's helpful to you, use that, but not overuse. The one way about AI, because if you really start to making everything, you probably won't learn anything, because because really you just rely on AI and it makes for you everything. This is not a good approach, because I heard about my friend programmer told me that some guys on his work do like so. Like they do every task in ChatGPT, or not ChatGPT, or in AI, and really you very fast can lose your skills if you overuse that. So if you're really stuck on some problem, why not to use that? Or maybe for learning, to explain on your examples, like a personal trainer, something like so. canvas size. Let's try this. Hello, hello. Let's try this. Oh yeah, that's work, my boys. It looks like work. Yeah, I hope this work or not. Anyway, this little gap, maybe we need just to increase the size a little bit or not. What are you looking at? I have problems with my scrolling frame as usual. I have a lot of problems with the sizing them, so as usual I need to fix that. How many years have you been developing games? 1.5 years. Making the scrolling frame automatically resize itself right now, yeah. Okay, description, rarity, title. Okay, this all. Let's increase the size. Let's increase the padding, like so. So almost work, but there is a little gap anyway. Wait, so how do you do that? I've always wanted to do that for my scrolling frames, but only ever been able to do with scripts. Just open the properties here. Here is a property, automatic size. Wait, why it resets again? By the way, I'm very interested. Canvas size 0. Automatic size. Why? What the hell? Wait. Scrolling frame. Oh, automatic canvas size, yeah, in scrolling tab. You can put Y. It automatically increases the size. But anyway, there's little problem. Oh, I think I've got it. What's the problem? Because we have a padding. We have a padding. Yes, that's it. So look, oh, it looks like okay. Alright, thank you. If you want my opinion on getting the padding at the bottom, you should probably put UI padding on the scrolling frames parent. By the way, maybe you're right. Maybe you're right, bro. Let's check that. Maybe let's put it really padding bottom 0.1. No, unfortunately. So yeah, the problem because of padding, this is first. Why is YouTube so obsessed with copying TikTok that they're forcing streams on mobile into vertical mods? What? No, bro. This is my vertical stream. You can open full-size stream on my channel. By the way, I have two streams on YouTube, vertical and horizontal. And I have on the Twitch also horizontal. Try putting UI padding on the info rather the scrolling frame. What the hell? Let's check, maybe really like so. So maybe that's work really. Let's check that. I don't understand why it's work. I'm very interested why it's work like so. Let's add a lot of them. Oh bro, you're a genius. That's work really. Right? I hope it's work always. The one thing, like so, because maybe it's increasing, or not, or maybe not. Looks like work. Like here's we'll have more gap, or maybe that's okay. I don't know. Very strangely why it works like so. My other idea is messing with the UI list layout or slightly increasing the scrolling frame size larger than its content. I don't know. I don't know. I hope it's work properly. But thank you. Okay, I'll keep an eye about that. I hope it will work. Where are you from, by the way? I'm from Ukraine. So we have a padding here, right? I'm back. Welcome back. So what about this? Okay, so it moves. Look, it moves. What the hell? It shouldn't. Oh yes, my bad. We also need to change the size. I forget about that. Automatic size we have, but canvas size 0. Maybe like so. Anyway, it moves. What the hell? Why it moves? Oh, because we have a padding here, I think, right? Let's check it. So. Oh, yeah. Without padding, all should work. So maybe really we need to put in these frames. Oh no, wait. Inventory, like so. Hey bro, hello, welcome. Okay, sup. Maybe just move it like so and don't care about that. Instead of padding like so. Yeah, looks like work. Let's check that like so. Yeah, nice. So the problem usually with the padding, really, the problem usually with padding. What game you making? This is like hide and seek but with random abilities for survivors. Here is a pinned message in the chat. There is a 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Okay, maybe we just delete padding from here and okay, let's leave it like so. So it's work now and that's okay. So I don't understand why it's work. Like we decrease the size of our... Okay, I want to check one thing by the way. What's the size? Okay, the same. Right. What about this? The same. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Thank you very much, Quific. Thank you, bro. You really saved me, bro. But I'd like to add here as a gap, a little gap here. Okay, I know. We can make a little trick, of course. We can make a little trick. Yep. I will donate to you. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much for your support. Layout order -5, for example. So we can make a little trick like so. I think, why not? And it should help, I hope. Yeah, because we can't use that UI padding, and so we definitely can make like this little trick. Games look pretty cool. I'll try to be first one to play it. Okay, bro. Okay, that's cool. Thank you very much. Okay, bro, I'ma go. See ya and good luck. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. See ya, bro. See ya. Yo, bro, sorry for being late. You started your stream much earlier. W. Thank you, Nikki. Welcome, bro. No problem. I told you, you can join whenever you want, bro. Okay, and I'm gonna eat right now, my boys. So I'll be here in 20 minutes. I'll be here in 20 minutes, guys. And I take my phone. Enjoy your time. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I'm back. Finally. One second, guys. I appeared again. Hello. So, let's go, boys. So, okay. But what I want to add here else also. visible. This frame, we need to make the size automatically, I think. Automatic size Y. So here's scale, here's size, here is also scale. So the frame is increased, but our scrolling frame not. Maybe there is some more properties we have. Like automatic size, it should be this. Like automatic size. Why? Like this, but it goes out of that. What the hell? None. Okay, frame, auto size with scrolling. Always I have problems with these scrolling frames, always. I just need to change the parameters like so. I was working on a game that was like, I forgot, some like funny type of game where you cook anything in the restaurant, the NPCs cook the cooker, etc. But sadly I got banned for 6 months. So what? Really? What's the reason why you got a ban? Something like overcooked or what? Like automatic size, maybe we need to change the size here, like so, or 0, I don't know. No. What a style. Roblox moderation is stupid. I've gone banned in work a pizza place, and a person is saying whatever I'll help you is harassment. Like they ban you in the game. and it not allow you to make a games, right? Or what the hell? On Roblox, but I got banned while I was playing for a pizza place. Okay, I've got it. So 6 months, really, bro? There is no any things how you can fix that. Like maybe in support you can write. Or it's impossible, I don't know. Bro looks like a Discord moderator. What the hell, bro? Okay, if we use offset for that, that's not a good approach, of course. But what about this size? Just let's try, because I don't understand what's the problem with that. Like 0. Okay, let's just try. Set. Okay. So really, if we have offset, we don't have any problems, right? Right. And but we have this problem. We have this problem. Even if we add constraint, because this is in pixels, right? Yes. So somehow we need to change the size. We need to change the size of that. And maybe because of wrong scale of that, we can't do that. Have you worked on the anti-cheat? Yo, bro, welcome back. Thank you, bro. Anti-cheat system, bro. Not yet. I have some things here. I had some things here, but like we calculate all the on the server, all things, but not all. So of course I try to do something for security, but not a lot for now. And we'll see, maybe this won't be a big problem with cheaters. Hi, hello. Thank you, bro. How was your food? Great, bro. Thank you. You were forgot to eat, or yes, I eat. Ate. Wow, cool. Hello, welcome. Thank you. I don't understand why in my frame, which Second Life. Yes, we have Second Life ability, but this is one-time ability. Like Yeah, we have. I have an idea how to manage all of that stuff, but I don't understand why grid layout works so weird. When you make it, I'm a white hat hacker, basically someone that use exploits to not like ruin other people's fun, but actually to help developers think at cheats, etc. Oh, that's great, bro. That's great. I also will check for the cheats, for exploits. That's of course, this is definitely what I need. But I don't know. I don't know, bro, if it's possible to cheat here. So of course I'll try that. Like, I'll also try to find some loopholes here, and that's cool, bro. Are there any healing abilities? Yes, of course, yes. Regeneration and just heal like one time card. You pick, instead of level, you just heal yourself, something like so. Thanks, no problem, bro, no problem. The new GUI looks sick. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Yeah, let's check that. So we have a problem, really. That's it. We have a problem with that. I don't know why it's not increasing the size. It does look like its flying speed, especially ESP, is not anti-cheatable. Or like lots of stuff, teleporting scripts, like how is the strongest battleground. There are scripts to make exploiters like repeatedly throw trash contents at you. Yeah, bro, of course. I'll try to make some protection, but definitely this is only after the basic. But the problem, really, I don't know how to work against the hack speed, like speed hack, like flying hacks and so on. So really, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Of course, yeah, that's great. That's great. You told about that, and and I'll keep an eye about that and make something to protect against that. I think might be a script cheat that is ESP player. What is ESP? I don't know. ESP. Honestly, it's easier. Just detect if a player is in the air for more than 2 seconds. It should definitely be easy to make no clipping anti-cheat. Yes, bro, but there is some abilities like... Okay, maybe now... The problem, bro, like I have multi-jump, so player can be longer in the air. This is the main problem. And really, like maybe we can just make a variable like how many seconds in the air are you, like so. Maybe 3 seconds we put, and if you jump in the air, so we reset this, like so. For multi-jump we need to turn it off, like so. So ESP like tracking, like you can see the player through the walls. Oh, okay. ESP is like letting you see players' guns and the weapons, etc. through the walls. Oh, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Okay, okay, I've got it, guys. Against that, I don't know, guys, how to solve this problem. But yeah, about no clip, bro. Yeah, thank you for the idea. That's interesting. Maybe one thing about like in air, really, maybe some problems will be with multi-jump and some charging jumps. I have, and also I have push bomb, which can throw you in the in the space sometimes. And yeah, probably. But anyway, this is before release we'll make, because this should be done after the abilities work, because I also will rework abilities. Yeah, it's like finding the pathway through a maze without knowing the whole maze yet. Yes, bro, yeah, agree. Well, you can detect if the player was rotated for too long, cause fly, you know, you don't like rotate, you rotate where your camera is. You can detect if the player was rotated for too long. Didn't get you, bro. What do you mean about the camera? I have first-person view, so probably something with in air, things with air, like to turn off no clip. Or you mean rotate about ESP or how to? I don't know. Okay. So yeah, that's interesting ideas. I really think about all of this. So a popular one is infinity yield P. When you use the fly in it, basically where your camera is, your characters rotate to that camera position. When you use the fly in it, basically where your camera is, your character rotates to that camera position. Anyway, didn't get what do you mean about this. Hi Profan, hello Default, welcome bro. I'm interested about flying time. This is like a solution of some problems, but like maybe not kick, of course, the players, like maybe like replace the player to the previous place, move the player to the previous place if he do like so. Because kick the player, maybe it's accidentally, maybe he fly for a long time or something like so. If you add flying in your game, should be easy to add anti-cheat, because if the player isn't meant to be flying, then yeah, can detect that. I don't know how to explain it really. Add anti-cheat, like if we have fly ability or not, we just detect. Yeah, but I'm not sure about flying. Maybe not. Maybe multi-jumps, this is enough, I think. But I'm not sure. Maybe really something cool we create. So why this frame doesn't work? So size. So any ideas, guys, why it doesn't stretch properly? Like the size is increased of the frame, right? Like I put automatic size Y, but my scrolling frame doesn't allow me to go here. Why? Hi, hello. I don't know, I know scripting stuff, not UI design. I do UI design, but I'm not that good. Yeah, same bro. Same bro. Always I'm struggling with this. Scrolling frames. Usually, really. Don't understand how they completely working. Okay, what if we decrease the size, like 0.5? Frame auto size. Hello, what are you trying to do right now? I have a problem with resizing my frame in scrolling frame. So I have some elements, and as you see, some elements down here, and I can't reach them. I'm gonna go. See you later. See you, bro. Thanks for being here. So, like, I can't reach these elements for some reason. I don't know what the hell. So, okay. What the hell? Auto size. Automatic size, yeah. You can go into the scrolling frame and change the canvas size. The problem, not only here. Like, I wanna increase this like in scrolling frame. In the scrolling frame, all right. But inside the scrolling frame, we have another one frame, and I wanna increase the size of that depending on content. Like so. So we have grid layout, and I just need to put a lot of stuff here, and because it's increased, like scrolling frame has automatic size. Canvas size, it's put to automatic. Here's scrolling automatic canvas size Y. And just resize the frames in the scrolling frame to be back to the appropriate size, and that should be good. So the problem really, so look, if I just put these elements, alright, right? Alright. So no any issues. But if I would use this one, hi, hello. No, I get you. I thought about a completely different thing. Yeah, so that's a problem with that. So for example, can play to wait this game and to play that game. Thank you, bro. So let me show. Let me show. So for example, I need to increase this. Wait, what the size of this frame? Okay. Automatic size, maybe Y. Maybe 0.1. I don't know. No, that's bad. I don't know if it's just me, you sound Russian to me, because I'm from Ukraine, bro. How much can I donate you to support you? All donations, bro, in the description. If you want, you can see. And thank you. So the problem, look, I have a frame. Oh yeah, so there is a frame, right? It has the size 1 and 1 now. But I need to increase this frame depending on content, right? So when it goes down, I can't reach that anymore. But I put automatic size to 1, right? Maybe I forget some properties here. I don't know. I always have a lot of problems. Always have a lot of problems with this scrolling frame. I really every time. So in my game I set it up, then I started to make a new frame and it's completely broken always. What the hell is that? Yes, I don't know what the hell. I need to increase the size. Maybe we'll have something layout. What about page layout? What's that, by the way? Oh wait, this is page layout. This is new thing or not? Probably not. So this is Win. We also have built in. Really interesting. You can probably make a script to scan the parts in there. -1 the grid layout, divide by 6 because that's how much I see fits in one line, and then just multiply side by how large the smaller thingies are. Maybe, bro, but look, what's the problem with this with your suggestion? When I resize that, yeah, let me do like so. Problem also with resizing. So if I resize the frame, it resizes all the content inside also. What if clip the sentence maybe? Yeah. Also, you're gonna need to resize the smaller parts to yeah, but manageable. That looks so weird. Looks like it shouldn't work like so. Really, what the hell with that thing? Okay, let's okay. Just let's check one thing. I wanna test. Let's how this works just without scrolling frame. Without scrolling frame, starter GUI, screen GUI, frame. So we have a frame. You good, bro? Yes, bro. Yes. So size 0.5, for example. Here is we put we put this one like 0.1 XX. .3. Okay, so I want to add here layout. What is table layout, by the way? Table. Okay, 1 second. Grid layout, right? By the way, the main thing about this, if I change the size of that to instead of scale we use offset, all works great like so, but we can't use offset for that. Like 100, look, all great. I add new one, all great, but I can't use it like so because of that. Boom. And we can, because offset it's in the pixels, and this is definitely bad approach. I don't know, maybe offset works, maybe resizing works only with offset, I don't know. Automatic size. So it's work now. Look, it's work. It's work here. So it increases the size. Look at this. But here it doesn't work. Frame. Automatic size XY maybe, I don't know. Nice, but it's not working scrolling frame. The main problem of that. So it's resizes. Automatic size works now here. But if we put it in scrolling frame, let's check that. .5, let's go. In scrolling frame. Position 0. I don't understand, what the hell? So here's all work, right? But no, this not work. Not work because we need auto size, right? Size 0 and automatic size Y. Yes, it's work. Wait. Anyway, I thought maybe that's because of wrong position, I don't know. So it increases the size, like incorrectly. Automatic size, right? Right. Why is so much school? Finally ask now. Maybe you need to make scrolling frame itself resize to it, if I understand this correctly. To make scrolling frame itself resize. What do you mean? And I'm very interested about one very important thing, by the way. Why we have here's grid layout? Wait, oh, because 0.1, right? But look how looks our grid, like layout, like images. They're not square. Why? The problem with that, I think. Really, it looks like the problem with that. I don't know. Why here we have a like proper size, right? Oh, I know why it's work here. Because I forget to do that. Oh yeah, the same problem here. The same problem here. Yes. I don't know. Yeah, and the same problem because I used offset before and it was right. Because the frame goes out of bounds of the scrolling frame, so you can't reach it obviously. Yeah. Really, maybe you could use the offset thing and put UI aspect ratio. The main problem of that, bro, that's we set the size here. I can't put it here. Look, it's blocked by grid layout. So this thing control this. Okay, let's check it without frame, by the way. Because I've checked that in frame, in scrolling frame. What the hell is that? Why, depending on position, it changed? I can't make it smaller. It wouldn't work anyway because everyone has different screen size. Offset, yes, that's definitely doesn't work. Okay, so we have a frame, right? We have image button here. Grid layout. Cell size 0.25. So we should have four here. Okay, even like so it doesn't work properly. So it changed the size like so. What's that? What's that? I'm very interested. Why, depending on position, it changed the size? What the hell? Okay, if I turn off auto size, it doesn't change. Absolute size. Why absolute size changed? So absolute size changed for some reason. What the hell? Why it looks like so for him? For me it looks like so different. Oh, I think I know. Because when we use scale, all the problems is here. If we use offset, all great, smooth and great. Let's save that. Maybe really we can do it only by using scripts. Because what the hell is that? With the size. Okay, maybe really we need to constrain. We need constraints here. Let's try. Constraint, right? Okay, let's try to add here constraints. I don't know. Like 0.2, I don't know. So to keep the size we can just add the constraints, right? But anyway we had the same problem. leave the sentence. I don't know. No, that's not. It keeps blocking the form I'm trying to send you. Tell me how to find that. Like searching, bro. Links blocked on YouTube by chat. Yeah, bro, and I'm not follow the links for my security. So how to create an auto? Oh, okay, thank you. Yeah, that's better. What's up, man? What's up? Hello. Automatic canvas size property for scrolling frames, set it to Y. But the problem, I don't have the problem. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I found that. So yeah, probably the problem with absolute size, as we see that it changed, and I can change it just here. Okay, but so it worked for me in my previous game, but there's also a lot of problems with these scrolling frames. So should be like, it should be simple. What the hell is that? Why just I can't resize this? Already been here from day 11. That's great, bro. That's great. I don't know that's exactly what you're looking for, but trying my best here. So yeah, thank you, bro. Maybe not the same, because for our this is not for our scrolling frame, the main reason. This is just for default frame. Okay, what if we just try to put this not inside the usual frame, like inside the, maybe really we need to put it inside the scrolling frame. Let's try. Just why not? Size. Layout order 7. Layout order. Automatic canvas size. Why? Right? So it's scrolling frame inside the scrolling frame. Oh, this works, but like it shouldn't be like so. Because when you scroll, for example, like this, you should try to scroll it down. I had to go AFK when I asked the question, what is this cool for? This is ability, the last run called ability. This is just for example. So what's the idea of that? Why I do all of that stuff? I think really ninja faster than tank, right? And you definitely like, okay, tank will have more health and so on. But I think really you probably guys won't buy the tank, because why I need the guy who much slower but has more HP, right? So definitely all the people will buy a better, faster guy with less HP. But I think the better idea will be like so. So you know, we have a little chance for each survivor when you open the crate to get like built-in ability, right? And what's the idea? To force the players buy different survivors, I'll make that each survivor can get like not all abilities. For example, we'll have like general abilities for every survivors we can get. For example, like level boost, X-ray, I don't know, maybe reduce cooldown, something like so. And we have a special possible built-in abilities for our survivors, like ninja, for example, will have abilities for movement and hiding. Some, for example, sprint, dash, invisibility. He can get abilities. And tank, for example, he can't get these abilities. So of course he also, as other, can get some like level boost, like X-ray. This is like general for everyone, will be some abilities. And tank will be more focused on the protection and health. So as tank you can't get abilities like a dash, invisibility at all, like built-in, or I mean. In the game, of course, you can get these abilities. Maybe you even can't get it in the game, by the way. This is interesting idea, but at the same time, it's maybe not. Maybe later, yeah, that would be a good idea. Maybe yes. Because now we have 23 abilities only, and that's not yeah. And you can cover all your weak points of that. So no, in the game you can get any abilities, because for example your tank is slow, but you can get sprint ability in the game if you're lucky, and it will be fast and have a lot of HP and so on. I think like only built-in abilities in the crates you can get. For example, only tank can get abilities like second life, or maybe this will be general. Why not? Okay, for example, our tank won't have a chance to get abilities like sprint, invisibility, dash, because this is for ninja. But he has a chance to get abilities like max HP, Jimbro, which protects you from one hit, Armor, which protects you from any hits for 3 seconds, regeneration, for example, and that's it. So we divide our survivors on the classes, because really probably it will be like, oh, why I need to buy tank if I can get the ninja with the same abilities, but ninja will be faster. Ninja really like it's easier to play when you faster by default. So compare just if you slow and but you have more HP, definitely this is harder. So really we can I think we separate that like so. So really this is only built-in abilities. In the game, in the actual game, of course you can get any abilities you want, or depends on your luck in the game. This is my idea, because really imagine we have 10 crates, for example, like ninja, tank, I don't know, solider, or any this is just for example, like 10 crates, and people probably found like 2 or maybe 3 out of 10 crates, and they open only them. But if you have a chance to get really cool abilities, for example, really regeneration, this is legendary one ability, and this is very powerful ability. Like every second you regenerate your health. This is great, definitely. And but you can't get it if you just use a ninja. You to get that you need to be a tank. So that's it. Of course you can get it in the game, but this is legendary one. Also, this is not too easy to get legendary abilities in the actual game. So that's it. I think it will be better in this case. So that's why. And what these schools for? These schools will be abilities like when you open full info about crates, it will be like so. Will be ninja crate. This is description. So silent survivor, for example, type crate, rarity won't be here. For the heroes will be your stats like health, and range from 75 to 175, for example, health. Move speed from 30 to 60, and this is like common, uncommon, rare, epic, and secret, this is higher. Also for quality, this is ability. Oh, this is not for crates. And here's will be like frame with all possible abilities for this crate. Why I wanna do that? So here's will be abilities for ninja crates, so you see what abilities you can get. And when you press on them, for example, this will be like I don't know, bomb. I press on that, and here's a little window with description how this ability called and what this ability does. So you can watch by clicking on any of that. Of course, this will be all different icons here. This is just, for example, schools here, and you click on one of them and you see, for example, last run, or click here, second life, you get the second life, like so. So just to show the people what they can get. That's why I try to do that. But scrolling frame doesn't let me do that. Not scrolling frame, just usual frame. Oh, okay, maybe canvas size, I don't know. Maybe there's some canvas group. But this is like this is like a frame. Is UI that hard? Not that hard, bro. Hard working with scrolling frame for me. I don't know. Always I have a problem with them. Very cool, bro. W. Thank you, Nikki. You should put a text label so that people know what the school stop is. Yes, bro. Yes, but to put the label, I need to fix the problems with this, because look, there's a lot of schools, but I can't scroll it down. The main problem with that, I don't know. So scrolling frame, this doesn't fit here. Okay, let's try canvas group. Maybe there's something different, I don't know. Size, layout order 7. And also let's change the automatic size Y, right. So it's already here. I don't know, maybe we need to remove the constraints, I don't know. Let's try without constraints. Look, it's broken already. Try modifying the UI grid layout. What do you mean? So the only way how it works properly, this is only if I use offset. This is only way how it works. But offset I can't put because it's incorrectly will be shown on the mobile. With offset all works great, really. With scale it works absolutely weird, and it's always such a problem here. By the way, we have here the parameters absolute content size. absolute cell size. So this is like a square. How long have you been making Roblox games? More than 1.5 years. And I'm very interesting what's that. I know what's that, guys. I know what's that. I think I understood, guys. I think I understood. If we increase, so scale, it depends on our frame size, right? Where we place our children. So, for example, we have 0.1 size of that. And when we increase this amount of elements here, the size of the frame increasing, and it's stretched, and that's because it's now on the same, has the same size, like 0.1 for example. But because our frame is increasing the size, we also stretch all of that. Yes, that's it, definitely. So we just probably put, we just definitely need that to make it inside the code. You need to update the canvas size. I need to update cell size, I think. So canvas group doesn't help, so this is the same like we made it here. So I've got it, what's the problem? I've got it, what's the problem? But if we do like so, like with our aspect ratio, we have a big gaps, right? Right. Yeah, look, they increased the size. Okay. Okay, guys, we solve that tomorrow, because tomorrow I think we start script finally all of that stuff. And I think about this feature. Maybe we use this thing on, or maybe I create something instead of that. Are you using any offsets? No, offsets doesn't fit here because it's in the pixels, and if I use offset when we switch into the phone, it will be like so the bigger one. So for today, guys, that's all. We're almost done with UI, and tomorrow I hope, I think we start scripting finally, because I'm really tired of making that. Start scripting, make it's all workable tomorrow. So for today, guys, that's all. River behind me, I'm on the nature. So W, thank you, bro. Glad the UI is getting finished. I hope, bro, I hope. W Game Man, already looking fire. If you need help, I'm a developer, by the way. Thank you, bro, very much for. Thank you, bro. But this is challenge for me. I want to make solo this way. So, profound streaming in the forest. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's true. So, thank you, boys, who was here. Thank you who supported. Thank you who watched. And we'll see tomorrow, my boys. Bye bye.